Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to do today is play. I've been wearing neutrals for quite a few weeks now, especially with my Red My Lips campaign. I've been wearing some neutral eyes. So I thought today I might get on the bandwagon, and while I already do my own kind of random makeup look, I thought I'd do a palette bingo today. So what I'm going to do is use my 3 Juvias Place palettes and get 6 colours from that and put together a look. Do a little bit of creativity hopefully, and see what kind of eye look we come up with. So I've already done all of my base. I'm just wearing a red lip stain from a Korean provider. So this is in Rose. That way I've still got my red 02 is what it is in, sorry. That way I've still got my red lips on, but it's a little bit understated, so hopefully we can do some kind of colour on the eyes. So what I've got is I've got my random number generator, so I'm just going to get that up. And I've already got that in place so that I've got from 0 to 9, because each of these palettes have 9 shadows in them. And I'm just going to get 2 from each palette and we'll see where we go. So the first palette I'm going to do is the Zulu. Okay, let's see what we end up with. So the first number is 5 and the second number is 2. So let's have a look. Number 5 is this green, so it's a shimmer. And number 2 is this matte yellow. So there are 2 colours from the Zulu palette. Let's go on now and do the next 2 numbers, which are going to come from the Festival palette. So let's have a look. So we've got 3 and 5. So 3 is a matte orange. Oh, it's going to end up being colourful today. And 5 is a matte pink. So there are our colours from the Festival. And our last palette is our Saharan 2. So let's have a look at what we get with that. So we've got 2 and 7. Okay, so 2 is this one here, and 7 is a dark matte brown. So just quickly swatch them. Okay, so they're all 6 of the colours that we are going to be using today on the eyes. So I'm just going to go have a little bit of a think about what I'm going to do with these colours, and then we'll come back and we will get into the eye look. See you in a sec. Okay, we're back. We're going to have a go and see what we come up with. The first thing I'm going to do is take the orange from, now I've got to remember which palette I started with. So I'm going to take the orange from the Festival palette in Ofla, and I'm just going to take that on a large blending brush and put that through the crease. Before I do that, I'm going to put some eyeshadow primer on. I'm just going to use my Too Faced shadow primer. Okay, it's going to go in with that orange. I'm going to lay that in the crease. At the moment I'm just laying it down, not doing any blending as such. If you hear any noise in the background, the kids are in full-on Easter spirited, make lots of noise mode. So I can't control that. Alright, so I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm just going to start blending out that top edge. I'm really heading to blow out this, or really trying to blow out this orange colour all the way up to my brow line. I'm going to go in now with the pink from the Festival palette, so this one here, and this is in Iridi, and I'm just taking that and I'm going to put that right into the crease. Same thing, I'm going to pack it in first and then I will blend it up with the orange. Now on a more precise blending brush, I'm going to go into that dark matte brown from the Saharan palette, so this one down here in Fez. And I'm going to put that into the crease and just into the outer corner of my lid. So I'm just going to take some concealer and just add that to my eyes. I'm cutting the crease but not super cutting it, and not all the way across. I'm just getting that concealer, and I'm going to take a little brush. Alright, so I'm going to go in with that matte yellow from the Zulu and put that on my lid. So I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of that darker brown and just kind of merge these two out of the yellow and the brown together. So I'm just going to softly run it across that edge there to kind of blend them in to each other. I'm going to go right back in with that matte orange and just add a little bit more to my brow, because it kind of got lost a little bit with all the blending, so I'm just going to add a little bit more of that colour in. I'm going to do the same with the pink, just back into this lower in the crease. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lighter shimmer shade, Aziza, that came in the Saharan 2. And I'm going to wet my brush and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And a little bit up onto that yellow. Now I'm going to wet a pencil brush, just a little stubby pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with that green from the Zulu palette. So this was the green that we got. And I'm going to run that along the lower lash line. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of that matte dark brown and put that in the lower section of this outer line, just to connect it to the upper area. Just going to run a bit of cream liner on my waterline. And I'm going to add some mascara. and I will be back. So I just used the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, and I think the look is done. I'll come in. What do you think of it? It's not too bad. A little bit of, it certainly turned out to be a colourful look, and I was hoping that there was a chance that with the palettes I've got that it could have been a little bit more neutral. But I like the fact that we got some colour, and I got to have a little bit of fun with it. If you like this palette bingo and you think I should do some more, please let me know down below, and I'm happy to do a few more of them. Kind of takes you outside of it. You start off with swatches like this and you've got to think, how can I turn it into a cohesive look on the eyes? So yeah, it was a bit of fun. Don't forget to subscribe. It'd be awesome if you would. I try to upload, you know, at least once, twice a week. Depends on obviously work and things like that. And as always, remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And I will see you later. Bye.